construct a rectangle ABCD whose area is 15 square centimeter. Then construct a square equal in area to the rectangle. So our first step is to construct the rectangle. Area is given 15 square centimeter and area is equals to length into breadth. So we can assume length and breadth be 5 or 3, or you can take any measurements you want. So we will construct a rectangle of 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter measurements. First of all, draw a 5 centimeters line. (90° angle). So this line was 5 centimeters, so the breadth is going to be 3 centimeters. Fill 3 centimeter and draw an arc and an arc from here. Now take 5 centimeters and draw an arc here. Join all the points to get the required rectangle like this. So this is the required rectangle. Now extend this line a bit, then cover this distance and draw an arc like this. So this is a rectangle A, B, C, D. Let's name this point E. Now we have to bisect the line DE. We will bisect the line DE from here, more than half distance. Arc from the other point. Now from this point, taking this distance as radius, draw a semicircle and extend this line so this line is one side of a square. Now fill this distance and draw an arc like this. One from here and one from here. Now join all the points. Now this is the required square, which has the same area as the rectangle, 15 square centimeters.